Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to a world of endless fashion possibilities. In today's video, we are happy to present an amazing collection of short hair styling ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Prepare to be amazed as we showcase a wide range of stunning haircuts, including pixie cuts, bob hairstyles and more. These captivating hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. Join me today as we explore over 50 unique haircut ideas in a variety of beautiful colors that you can find in my video. Whether you are from the USA, UK, Canada, Poland, Morocco, Germany, Spain, Italy, Switzerland, or from anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on the top of the latest summer fashion trends. Greetings beautiful ladies, welcome back to our YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for all things short hair. In today's video, we have an extraordinary collection of short hair styling ideas that are sure to inspire and empower you. From sleek pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have handpicked a variety of options to suit all hair types and styling preferences. So without any further ado, let's dive into the wonderful world of short hairs. When it comes to short hair styles, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we have selected more than 50 different haircut ideas that bond versatility and creativity. You will be captivated by the range of styles, colors and lengths, all designed to enhance your natural features and make a bold statement. One of the highlights of this video is the mesmerizing pixie cut. Pixie haircuts have the ability to take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Whether you want a sleek and sophisticated look or a more playful style, there is a pixie cut that will perfectly complement your features. These short hair styles not only offer modern appeal but also provide the benefit of low maintenance styling, making them a great choice for those who lead a busy lifestyle. As you dunk yourself in this video, you will be captivated by the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hairs into a true work of art. From classic shades like black and warm browns to color options, experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles, colors and lengths, we are happy to present some amazing transformative haircuts in this video. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. Before and after transformations serve as a powerful reminder of the impact a new hairstyle can have on a person's overall appearance and self-esteem. We sincerely hope that you are enjoying the video so far. Remember to watch until the end as we have many more hairstyles to share with you. If you are finding inspiration from these short haircut ideas, please take a moment to leave a comment in the comment section below. We had love to hear which styles resonate you with the most and how they inspire you to adopt a new look. If you have not done yet, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. By doing this, you will never miss out on our latest videos, which are packed with amazing hairstyling ideas, helpful tips and informative tutorials. We are dedicated to being your go-to source for all things short hairs, and we are excited to share more amazing content with you in the future. Thank you so much for joining us today on our YouTube channel. We hope that this video showcase of beautiful and inspiring short hairstyles has inspired and empowered you. Remember, your hair is your powerful accessory, and experimenting with different styles is a great way to express your creativity and embrace your individuality. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching the video. And once again, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today. And until we meet again, take care and keep shining brightly. See you in the next video.